Welcome guys, today I'm going to be showing you our app, and our app is about learning Morse code. So the title screen, you have two buttons, one to mute the music and a button to begin play. So I'm going to click on mute music so y'all can hear the clicks. I'm pretty sure you can still hear the clicks with the music on, but just to make sure. So you can click learn or begin play. You have the master key. Shows everything from A through Z in 1 to 0. If you would like to go to the advanced chart, we have an option for that. So everything on the left starts with a da, and everything on the right starts with a dit. So what that means is that the da, it starts out with the da, and then it moves over to the dit, and the dit will move over to the da when it's needed. So once you're done looking at this, you can click the menu, and it should take you automatically back to the main menu. Now you can click Learn, and it tells you what a dit and a da is. Tells you how these are used to create letters. Separation of these letters and words are key in Morse code, where pauses mean everything. Between each letter in the word is one space equal to one da in length, and between every word is one space equal to seven dits in length. This is basically a little bit more information about it, and you can click Learn More or back to the main menu. But if you do click Learn More, it does take you to an external website, whether that's on your phone or if you have this opened up on your browser. So I'm going to click on Return to Main Menu. So if you want to learn how to use Morse code, we have an option right there for you. It explains everything, and also, if it's considered a unique skill, not very many people know how to use Morse code. Now, if you want to learn more information, it takes you to a website, gives you a chart, who invented the American Morse code, more information. Now we can click return, takes you back to the main menu. Now we have the practice mode. We have practice letters and practice numbers, and or practice all. So if you click practice all, it's going to randomly generate in between A through Z, 0 to 1, or not 0 to 1, 1 to 0, basically going 1 through 10. Or if you want to do letters only, you can choose this option. Or if you just want to practice your numbers, it's all right here. It's all randomly generated, so if I were to go here, back out, it changes. The last one was an S, this one's a J. And if you can't remember what it is, you can click on the master key, look at what it is, return, and you still have the same letter. It's not going to automatically change on you. So for the J, it is a dit, da, da, da. We had a little bit of an error while doing this. That's why the little white dots are there. But if we submit it and it's correct, you got it correct. Or if you have a check mark, you got it correct. Now let's say you get this wrong. It tells you you're wrong, but it doesn't show you the right answer. So if you want to go back to the key, go here. The X is a da, dit, dit, da. Click return. The moment you go back, you click on this again so it overlaps. So da, dit, da, submit. Got it right. Sometimes you can get the same letter over again. So it's da, dit, da, check mark, changes letter. Since it's all randomly generated, you can go back to practice numbers. The number 2 is dit, da, submit. And let's say you get this wrong. Now, if you want to practice all, goes through 9. 9 is da, dit. And now you got a letter. But it could be 2 numbers, 2 letters. It doesn't matter. It's all randomly generated. Now you can go back, turn to start if you want, start up your music, and begin playing. Thank y'all for listening, and I hope y'all have a great day.